Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Revanced Manager on your app, on your Android. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone browser, Chrome browser, Safari, any one of your choice. Open up the Chrome browser and you are going to search for Revanced Manager. So you click on that, you're going to see this right here. You click on the first one, you can see, scroll down, sorry, let's use another website. You can see the Revanced right here. This is the official website. You click on that, right, and you click on allow, scroll down, you can see right here where it says download. So you click on that and download anyway. So it's going to start downloading right here. So I'm going to take a screenshot of it. So let's check if it has downloaded. It's still downloading, so we have to wait. Yep, so it just finished. So you click on it to install to your phone, right? So once it finish installing, you can now go to set it up. I'm still waiting for it to install. It's going to take a little while, some few seconds to actually install. So this is actually how to download and install the Revanced app. So it has completed. Click on open, you're going to see this. So you have to grant everything and keep granting, allow, and also allow. Click on next and click on next. And if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. And if you want more tips on this, go check out my channel. You're going to see more videos on how to use the Revanced Manager. Thank you. Bye.